In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Pinterest desktop. By the end, you'll have a polished pin live on your board, complete with a title, description, link, topics, and more. Start by opening your browser and going to pinterest.com. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your home feed. On the left side of the screen, look for the plus icon. This is your create button. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose pin. That opens the pin creation tool where you'll add your content and details. First, upload your media. You can click the upload area to select a file from your computer, or simply drag and drop it in. Images like JPG or PNG work great, and short MP4 videos are also supported. For images, a vertical 2. 3 aspect ratio such as 1000 by 1500 pixels tends to look best on Pinterest and helps your pin stand out. Next, add a clear, compelling title. Think of it like a headline that tells people exactly what they'll get. Keep it concise, use relevant keywords, and aim for something scannable. Then write your description. This is where you provide context, benefits, or a quick how-to summary. Use natural language, include a few targeted keywords to help with search, and make it genuinely useful. Avoid keyword stuffing. Clarity always wins. You can add a destination link so that when someone clicks your pin, they go to your website, blog post, product page, or any relevant URL. Double-check the link to make sure it loads and matches the content in your pin. Now choose the board where this pin belongs. Select a board that closely matches the topic since board relevance helps with discovery. You also have the option to tag topics. These are interest categories that help Pinterest understand what your pin is about and show it to the right audience. If you're showcasing products, use the product tagging option to connect items featured in your image to their shopping links, making it easier for viewers to learn more or buy. If your image or video has been generated or significantly edited using AI, mark it as AI modified. This keeps your content transparent and aligns with platform guidelines. Open more options to fine-tune details. Here you may see settings like alt text for accessibility, comment preferences, or scheduling. Add alt text that describes the image for screen readers and adjust any settings to your needs. When everything looks good, click Publish. Give it a moment to process, then visit your chosen board to confirm the pin appears correctly, the link works, and the crop looks great. That's it. You've posted on Pinterest from desktop.